Okay, let's take a look at the amazing little universe that lives right inside your head. Seriously, how do you do, well, anything? It all starts in the most complex thing we know of.
Yep, this is your body's control center. Think of it like your own personal headquarters. And it only weighs about 3 pounds on average. Pretty compact for running the whole show, right?
All right, welcome to Central Command. First up, let's meet the senior management. You've got three main parts, and they all work together to run, well, everything. The cerebrum is the big boss, the corporate HQ. It handles all the big picture stuff. Then there's the cerebellum. It's like the operations manager, making sure you move smoothly. And the brainstem, that's your 24/7 life support system. It just keeps you going. So let's go back inside that corporate HQ. It's split into four main departments. Each one has a special job, but they all have to work together to build your world. Now, the cerebrum is made of two different kinds of stuff, gray matter and white matter. And here's a simple way to think about it. One's the computer, the other's the cables. Okay, let's head deeper inside. This is where the back office operations happen. Meet the thalamus. It's basically the main switchboard directing all the sensory traffic. And this area, the limbic system, that's where your emotions and memories are born. So who's doing all this work? About 86 billion nerve cells called neurons. That's a lot. But the neurons don't work alone. You've got the messengers, and you've got their support crew. I love this analogy. And the craziest part, the cookie dough outnumbers the chips 10 to 1. This is how they talk, a super fast chain reaction of electricity and chemicals. Zap! Of course, a command center this important needs some serious security, right? It's wrapped in three protective layers. Fun fact, their names mean hard mother and gentle mother. And get this, your brain literally floats inside your skull, cushioned by this special fluid. So if your brain is just building your reality out of signals, what is the world you're really seeing?